Hi there and welcome to the Gmail logo. This is a geometric logo. I'm gonna show you how they created it. We're gonna take a rectangle, just a simple rectangle here. Let's set our stroke is 1. In fact, I wanted 0.25 as usual and no fill at all for now. We start with a rectangle. What I'm gonna do is to set the size of the rectangle, the width here. I'm gonna uncheck here and I want it to be 30, for example. And the height, I'm gonna make it another 50, whatever you like. But the most important is the 30. Now I will duplicate it and create another one where the size is 60. It's 2/3 of the previous one. We align them at 100% just like this. I will go for a triangle and will draw a 3-side triangle and come over here and put the triangle just over here and just turn it 90 degrees. Take the triangle and just align it and just make sure it fits inside the first rectangle that we have drawn or the second one. Then I will duplicate it, just flip it. Then I will duplicate it, Ctrl C, Ctrl F and flip it. And then take the second one and just put it over here. We're almost done. Now I'm gonna make a circle. Notice what's happening here. We're gonna make a circle, but we're gonna fit the circle very nicely in between the two squares. Just like this. That's the circle. Then we're gonna create another rectangle just over here. I'm gonna create it like this and then come over and adjust it. Leave it over here. And then take it down a bit. It's too thick, so I'm gonna reduce its size pressing shift. Then I'm gonna reduce the size pressing option, just like this, maybe just over here. It has to be symmetric. Make it bigger up to just here. Make it really doesn't matter. You will see what will happen. Then we are going to go for a segment and put the segment over here. Then we are going to select the segment and the circle. Click on the circle so circle doesn't move and align them. The circle now is the best thing that ever happened. I'm gonna select the circle, duplicate it, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and make it smaller. Now here you want to make it smaller. It fits actually equal to the triangle. The triangle should be over here, I think. Yep. The triangle should be just over here. Now you looking at this, what this actually you finished the work. Except that this one should be a bit bigger. Now you finished. Let's select everything and let's bring the colors over here. This is very big. Let's bring it over here to our side. Ctrl 0. Just like this. Then I'm gonna select everything from here and duplicate them. Just put them aside. If I make a mistake, I know what to revert to. Selection tool, select everything here. I think we have done it. Go for the shape builder tool. And notice the red here. Now I will double click on the shape builder tool and say from the artwork. We don't get any colors yet. That's what's gonna happen. Notice the G here. Let's bring it even nearer. And take it to back. Arrange, send to back. Now, notice with the shape builder tool and all these guys selected. Notice this is the first part of the G. You see it? I'm gonna just do like this. I have the G here. Then I have a piece here, which is exactly here. And then I have this piece here. That's the green one. Then I have the blue one. Simple. The green one includes this. I don't know if you have small pieces here. And the rest should go away. Press Option and remove them. But I keep this line. Everybody believes that this line is just random. It's not random at all. I'm removing all the rest. Actually, you created a geometric shape, or you created geometry, and then you started cutting off the unnecessary part. Notice this is all useless. This one should go. And everything here had to go. I'm gonna remove them. and this one and this one. It's very clever logo. I'm gonna select this piece over here and go to the eyedropper and select the red. Select this piece here, eyedropper, and select this color, which I know, oh wow, we have a mistake. First, let's look at our shapes. There is this one that is a mistake. We don't want it, or it's a surplus, you see. There's a little piece here, is surplus. I think there is a piece here, surplus, because I didn't go through them. Notice the line that's coming here, and you notice the line over here. It's very nice. Let's see if we're selecting the right shapes. I'm going to select this shape and this shape. There is a shape here we don't need. I select again. That's our shape. And here we are selecting the right shape. Very fine. Over here, is this the only one? We need to select something. I'm going to move it out. Select here. Delete it. We don't want it. And try to place it as meticulously as I can. In fact, it will snap very nicely. Now we have the G, and it's exactly like this guy, except maybe this one is thicker or smaller. That's the only problem I could find. Now we select the shape, eyedropper, red. Select this shape now, eyedropper, this color. I don't know what they call it. Then V and this shape and eyedropper and this color. The shortcut here is I, yes, right. And then V, select this shape, eyedropper, I, and this one. Then we select everything and put the stroke to 0. And you have the G for Google. I maybe did not do the inner circle very well, but this is quite fine. And actually, it's quite a representation. The most important thing for me was to show you the geometric tricks here. And it's very interesting how it happens. Now, many logos are done in this fashion, and it's important that you are at least aware about it. I did not do it perfectly. Many geometric logos are done just like this. Squares and rectangles. Try to check out the Volkswagen logo. Very interesting how they worked it out, and the symmetry they tried to do, and the dimensions. It's very interesting. Thank you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed the Google logo, and I will see you in the next video.